And I'm of the APC, and like every one of us here, we are all of the APC in Rivers State. We have come here to address you on some fundamental issues relating to our party, the All Progressive Congress in Rivers State. And I have prepared a speech to be delivered right away. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, I heartily welcome you to this very important and timely press briefing. My name is Rotimi, member of the All Progressive Congress and, of course, the Clinical Campaign Organization. With me are my colleagues and my brothers, with the voice introduce themselves, and others who are not physically present. We have come here, as you are all aware, the governorship and houses of assembly elections are scheduled to hold nationwide this Saturday, March 18th, 2023, and that includes here in our state, Rivers State. As you're also aware, during the first round of elections that featured the presidential and National Assembly contest, the former Transportation Minister, His Excellency Chibuike Amaechi, adopted, endorsed, and directed party members in the state to vote for the candidate of the opposition People's Democratic Party, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, against that of our party, the All Progressive Congress, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu. Although those of us here seated here and other of our supporters did not heed that directive, we were nonetheless aware of it. That directive threw the party supporters into a state of confusion, so much so that it cost the party her National Assembly seats. As you all know, the outcome of the last election in Rivers State for the National Assembly, the APC in Rivers State barely won 1 or 2 seats. And that was partly as a result of the confusion generated by the directive to vote PDP instead of APC in the last election. Since then, that directive has remained active. Until this very moment has not been rescinded. It is therefore on the strength of that directive that we are gathered here to make the following declarations. 1, that we are loyal members of the All Progressive Congress who have made huge contributions and sacrifices for the development of the party. 2, that we salute Rivers people on their support towards our presidential candidate, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, during the last elections. 3, similarly, that we commend the governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Nyesom Wike, for his stance on power returning to the South after 8 years of Northern rule, which is in line with the dreams of our founding fathers, for the presidency of this country to be rotational. 4, that we acknowledge the support of the governor, his supporters, and the good people of the state, without whom the party would have once again lost the presidential elections in the state, as was the case in previous elections. We have always lost presidential elections since we moved to APC in this state. It is only the last election, through the benevolence of Rivers people and the governor, that we had a different result. 5, that in the spirit of reciprocity and good faith, we align ourselves with the call by the leader of the party in the state, Chief Tony Chidugam Okocha, KLC, that the party returns the favor done her by the governor and the people of Rivers State. 6, in view of the above, therefore, we, the youth of the All Progressive Congress, Rivers State, hereby, without any form of hesitation, endorse and adopt Sir Siminalayi Fubara as the preferred choice of the party for the governorship of Rivers State. Once again, in view of the above, therefore, we, the youth of the All Progressive Congress, Rivers State, hereby, without any form of hesitation, endorse and adopt Sir Siminalayi Fubara as the preferred choice of the party for the governorship of Rivers State. 7, that our party, being a party of justice and fairness, Sir Siminalayi Fubara answers both the question of riverine governorship as well as in keeping with the principle of power rotation, wherein power should rotate to the Rivers Southeast senatorial zone, the only senatorial zone yet to produce the governor of our state. I'll take that again. That our party, being a party of justice and fairness. Sir Siminalayi Fubara answers both the question of riverine governorship, as well as in keeping with the principle of power rotation, wherein power should rotate to the River Southeast senatorial zone, the only zone yet to produce the governor of our dear state. 8, finally, that we call on other candidates to step down for Sir Fubara in the spirit of good faith and enjoying Rivers people to vote him accordingly. Thank you. Signed by all of us here. Is that what we have agreed?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.